Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to install or update any Nvidia driver on Windows 10 or 11. This guide has you covered. Let's dive in. First, we need to figure out which Nvidia graphics card you have. Right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Select Task Manager from the menu. In Task Manager, click the Performance tab. Look for GPU in the left panel, and at the top right, you'll see your graphics card's name. For this tutorial, I'm using a GeForce GTX 1650, but this process works for any Nvidia card. Jot down your card's name. You'll need it soon. Now, let's download the driver. Open your web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, whatever you love. In the address bar, type nvidia.com/drivers and hit enter. This takes you to Nvidia's official driver download page. I'll drop a link in the video description to make this super easy for you. On this page, you'll see a form to select your graphics card details. For product type, choose GeForce. For product series, since I'm using a laptop with a GeForce GTX 1650, I'll select GeForce GTX 16 series notebooks. If you're also using a laptop, make sure to pick a notebooks option. If you're on a desktop, choose the standard GeForce GTX 16 series instead. For product, select GeForce GTX 1650 or your specific model. For operating system, choose Windows 11 64-bit if you're on Windows 11, or Windows 10 64-bit if you're on Windows 10. Most modern laptops and PCs are 64-bit, so stick with that unless you know your system is different. For download type, leave it on Game Ready Driver for the best gaming and performance. Then, click on View. You'll see the latest driver version and its release date. Click Download. The driver file, usually a few hundred megabytes, will start downloading. This might take a minute or two, depending on your internet speed, so hang tight. Once it's done, click the downloaded file to open it. The Nvidia installer will extract files to your system. This could take a moment, so be patient. Now, the Nvidia installer window pops up. You'll see two options, Nvidia Graphics Driver and Nvidia App, or Nvidia Graphics Driver. The first option, Nvidia Graphics Driver and Nvidia App, includes the Nvidia app, which helps configure your graphics card and optimize gaming, content creation, and design settings by collecting data about your PC's hardware and software. It's useful for auto updates and performance tweaks, so for this tutorial, I'll go with that option to explore its benefits. Click Agree and Continue. Next, choose between Express and Custom installation. Express is quick. It upgrades your existing driver and keeps your settings. Custom lets you pick components and do a clean install, which is great if you're having issues like crashes. For beginners, I recommend Express. Click Next and Upgrade. The installer will now copy files and update your driver. You'll see a progress bar. Don't interrupt it. This usually takes a few minutes. If your screen flickers, don't panic. That's normal as the driver updates. Once it's done, you'll see a message saying Installation completed. Click Close. I strongly recommend restarting your PC to make sure everything applies correctly. Right-click the Start button, select Shut Down or Sign Out, then click Restart. After your PC reboots, let's verify the driver installed correctly. Right-click the Start button again and select Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters section. You should see your graphics card listed without any yellow triangles or exclamation marks. Right-click it, select Properties, then click the Driver tab. Check the driver version and date to confirm it matches what you downloaded. If it does, you're golden. One last tip. If you run into issues like games crashing or display glitches, try the custom installation next time and check Perform a Clean Installation. This wipes old driver files that might cause conflicts. Also, keep an eye on Nvidia's driver page for new updates, especially for big game releases or performance boosts. If this guide helped you get your Nvidia driver sorted, please smash that subscribe button to join the Passionate About Tech community. It really helps us keep these tutorials coming. Got questions or still seeing issues? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay passionate about tech.